Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Facebook memories not showing. So first, you can check your memory settings. So open the Facebook app, then tap menu in the bottom right corner. Now once you're here, scroll down and go to memories. Then click the settings icon in the top right corner. So make sure all memories or your preferred notification option is enabled. So you can go to the bottom and select all memories or highlights. Next, check your date and post. So Facebook only shows memories from posts you shared on the same date in previous years. If you didn't post anything on that day, you won't have any memories to display. Next, you can update the Facebook app. So open Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook and update the app to the latest version. Then you can restart your device and reopen it again and see if that works. Next, you can also clear cache or refresh the app. So you can close the Facebook app completely, swipe it up and swipe it away, then reopen it and see if that works. You can also go to your settings, then scroll down and go to General, go to iPhone storage, scroll down and tap Facebook. Then here you can delete the app or you can click offload app, then reinstall the app once again. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So click reinstall app. So just wait for it to finish, then open Facebook and try again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.